The current claim settlement process for motor insurance requires physical car inspection by a surveyor and manual document checks. This is not only time-consuming and stressful for the insured, but also expensive for the insurer. The cost of processing the claim makes the business less profitable to the insurer, and the inconvenience and the long wait makes the product less desirable to the customer. Let's look at an example of a workflow created in Flowmagic for automating the motor insurance claim assessment process. We have used machine vision to eliminate the need for the surveyor and manual checks in all but the most complex cases. This means that the customer can submit a claim from the convenience of his mobile phone and get an approval decision within minutes. After the accident, the customer captures photographs of the damaged car on her phone and uploads them on the insurance company's mobile app. She also uploads photos of her driver's license, registration copy and claim form. Let's say this data gets stored in Amazon S3. The Amazon S3 download app brings this data into the Flowmagic platform. There are two branches of this workflow. The one on the top of the screen is for processing the car photographs, whereas the one on the bottom is for processing the driver's license and claim form. Let's start with the one on the top. The first application here is car part detection, which uses machine vision to identify the different car parts present in the images and clubs such images together. The next app, called car damage detection, takes the images of each car part and ascertains whether a part is damaged or not, and classifies them into damaged and undamaged buckets. The photographs of the damaged parts are fed to the next app, called car damage severity, which determines the extent of damage to each part, specifically if a part requires replacement or repair. Finally, the damage repair estimation app fetches the standard price for all parts to be replaced and predicts the cost of repairing the other parts. We have analyzed repair data and images from thousands of accident cases to build an artificial intelligence costing model. This model can estimate the cost of repairing any part using its photographs. The repair and replacement figures are added together to arrive at the final cost estimate. Let's look at the second branch now. First, the OCR app extracts text from scanned documents. Next, we have a couple of classifier applications, one to identify the driver's license, and the second for identifying the claim form. The handwritten claim form is processed by an app called DocParser, which extracts handwritten and printed information from standard forms. The driver's license information, number, date of birth, validity of license, class of vehicle etc. is validated against a government database by the DL Validator app. And finally, the data verification app matches the official information from the database with that provided by the customer in the claim form. Based on the result of the verification and the repair estimate, the claim is either auto-approved in minutes or forwarded to a claims adjuster for review. Some other motor insurance related applications in Flowmagic are RC validation, to validate the car registration details with the government database. QR and barcode reader, to get policy summary from policy document. Email app, for automated communication with customers, employees and third parties. And missing data check, to determine if the claim form provided by customer is incomplete. This workflow is just an example, and all the apps here, along with the other Flowmagic apps, can be used in various combinations to suit the business needs of the insurer.